Strengthening Faith 51. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important to understand that no matter how much religious knowledge one obtains, or how much worship and righteous deeds they perform, they will never be safe from the attacks and traps of the devil. This is because the devil attacks each person according to how much knowledge they possess, and how much righteous deeds they perform. For example, he will try to convince the Muslim who is strict in offering their obligatory prayers not to offer them in congregation at the mosque, or by convincing them to delay their obligatory prayers beyond their starting times, as he knows he will not be able to convince them to completely abandon the obligatory prayers. Whereas, in respect to the Muslim who is struggling to establish their obligatory prayers, he will attempt to convince them that they are too difficult to establish, therefore they should only offer them when they are completely free. He tries to convince those who perform many voluntary righteous deeds not to gain and act on Islamic knowledge, in order to improve their character, so that they continue to destroy their good deeds through bad characteristics such as lying and backbiting. The devil aims to prevent a person from reaching a higher level if he cannot convince them to fall in rank through disobedience to Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, Muslims should always be on guard against his attacks and traps by persistently striving to increase in rank, improve their character, and avoid acts of disobedience, which is all achieved by gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge.